Ready? All right, today we're going to cook a family favorite. I don't know what it is, but every time we go out in the woods, we always take Mr. Noodles. I can't explain it, but it seems to hit the spot. We're also going to use my favorite stove. That's the JetBoil Flash Java. Super easy to use. Lid comes off. Everything you need is right inside here. That is your support, and it basically goes under here. Super simple. Pops in, so it's nice and tight. Cap comes off. That's your actual stove. There's your gas valve. So now we take this, screw it in, and we have a gas valve, which you can hear, and we have an igniter. Next, we put this on, sorry, there's a little bowl on the bottom. Take that off. Put your, oh, yeah, sorry, this is 2 cups. All right, so that securely locks into place, which is really nice. You find a somewhat level surface, and you're off to the races. Now, just a quick thing on water. I didn't bring clean water. I scooped that out of the lake. When you grab water out in the wild, you have to do 2 things to it. You have to filter it and you have to purify it. They're 2 different things. From the lake here where I grabbed it, there's nothing in it, so you can take a look. Very simple, nice clean water. So I didn't need to filter it. If you're grabbing that water out of a pond, then you simply put a cotton bandana over top, or a cotton rag, or any sort of cotton material, and you can filter out all the junk from coming into your water. And then next we have to purify it, and we're going to do that with heat to boil off any bacteria. So we're going to put our 2 cups in. Oh, I guess something got in there. That's fine. Won't kill you. Now, they claim 100 seconds boil time for half a liter, I believe. So let's try it. Start our timer. It's already rumbling. There we go, there's a full-on rolling boil. So let's start that. 1 minute, 28 seconds. We'll consider that 88 seconds. That's ahead of schedule. That's pretty amazing. I'm happy with that. So that water is now safe to consume. You want a really good boil. I'm going to turn it down now. That water is perfectly safe to consume now. And now we can put this. Perfect. Set a timer for 3 minutes. The problem with most stoves is trying to get an actual simmer. Most stoves are designed to high heat, high output, get your water boiling. When your water safe to consume, you can make coffee, tea, drop it into an MRE, which is one of these. With an MRE, if we had just plain boiling water, it's as simple as putting it in here, stirring it, resealing the package, and then waiting. In this particular case, it's 5 minutes. And on this guy, it is 10 minutes. I find 10 minutes kind of a standard time frame, but if that was just plain boiling water, you open the MRE, dump our water in here, stir it, seal it back up, set a timer, wait 10 minutes, and then it's all ready to consume, basically. Now with the JetBoiler, pretty much any other stove, just be careful not to overfill it, because if you do, it's just going to come over the top. It's got a line that's right around here at that level that indicates not to go past. We're at 145. Now the JetBoil has a neat feature on the side here where it changes color. Changes color to indicate that it's hot. And we are at 2.5 minutes. I'll just shut that off. It's boiling so good. I think that should be cooked. Mr. Noodles is 2 to 3 minutes. So to consume, very simple. You can grab this, even though we had the stove on. This actually does protect. It's warm, but it's okay enough that I can grab it. Oh, okay, maybe not. There we go. Take it off there. I can feel the heat coming through here, so it is hot, but in short order, I should be able to hold that very comfortably. There you go, Mr. Noodles.